Chapter 13 Adjectives Comparisons. Most of the adjectives have three forms. We use these forms for comparing person, animal, things, and place. Look at the pictures and read the sentences given below them. Ayan is fat. Rian is fatter. Aryan is the fattest. Tire is hard. Wood is harder. Iron is the hardest. The colored words in the above sentences show the positive quality of one person or a thing and how it compares with two or more than two person or things. These words are called degrees of comparison. Positive for 1, comparative out of 2, superlative more than 2. Fat, fatter, fattest, hard, harder, hardest. Remember, positive, no comparison. Comparative, when we compare two. Superlative, comparison with many. Formation of comparative and superlative degrees. Some adjectives form comparative and superlative degrees by adding er and est to the positive. Positive, comparative, superlative, bright, brighter, brightest, clear, clearer, clearest, dear, dearer, dearest, green, greener, greenest, high, higher, highest, kind, kinder, kindest, quiet, quieter, quietest, rich, richer, richest, rough, rougher, roughest, strong, stronger, strongest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, tall, taller, tallest, tough, tougher, toughest. Adding R and ST to the positive. Close, closer, closest, fine, finer, finest, noble, nobler, noblest, pure, purer, purest, wide, wider, widest, wise, wiser, wisest. Doubling the last letter of the positive and adding er and est to it. Big, bigger, biggest, fat, fatter, fattest, hot, hotter, hottest, red, redder, reddest, sad, sadder, saddest, thin, thinner, thinnest. If the adjectives of the positive degree end in y and y has a consonant before it, then y is changed into I before adding er and est. But if the y has a vowel before it, then y is not changed into I. Busy, busier, busiest, dry, drier, driest, easy, easier, easiest, happy, happier, happiest, lazy, lazier, laziest, lucky, luckier, luckiest, merry, merrier, merriest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, ugly, uglier, ugliest, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. When the adjective of the positive degree is a word of two or more than two syllables, we form the comparative by using the word more with the positive and the superlative by using the word most with the positive. Active, more active, most active, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, courageous, more courageous, most courageous, dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous, difficult, more difficult, most difficult, faithful, more faithful, most faithful, handsome, more handsome, most handsome, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent, interesting, more interesting, most interesting, learned, more learned, most learned, obedient, more obedient, most obedient, proper, more proper, most proper, urgent, more urgent, most urgent, useful, more useful, most useful, wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. There are some irregular adjectives that do not follow any definite pattern. Bad, worse, worst, far, farther, farthest, far, further, furthest, good, better, best, late, later, later, latest, last, little, less, least, many, more, most, much, more, most, old, older, oldest, old, elder, eldest. Chapter 13